This is Nadi Laimut at Elliott Forex with your weekly analysis for the British Pound US Dollar pair for the trading session dated Monday, 25th of July 2016. In our previous analysis, cable unfolded as expected in line with the main count view, and first target was reached and exceeded. As always, we will be approaching cable's analysis systematically, one step at a time, and we will be setting specific points which we call confirmation points that when reached a certain count's probabilities increases and we follow that count. Therefore, we are updating the main count according to the latest price action and as well adding two alternate counts. The first alternate count expects that downwards correction has one more low to offer before reversing directions and moving upwards. The second alternate count expects that upwards correction is complete and that a downwards motive wave is underway. We will be discussing these counts in detail for further clarification in this video, and we will start by viewing the main count chart. The main count expects that wave 2 flow is complete and that wave 3 flow within wave 3 black is underway. Within wave 3 black, wave 1 pink is complete as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 green, with wave 4 green unfolding as a triangle labeled waves A through E orange. It's expected that wave 2 pink is unfolding upwards in a corrective manner labeled waves A, B, and C green, with waves A and B green complete, and wave C green is unfolding towards the upside. This count would be confirmed by movement above 1.3481, and we have three targets for the completion of wave C green and ultimately wave 2 pink. The first target is at 1.3491, as at that level wave C green would reach 0.618, the length of wave A green, and the second target is at 1.3643, as at that level wave 2 pink would reach 0.382 of wave 1 pink. The final target is at 1.3753, as at that level wave C green would reach equality with wave A green. This count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5020, as wave 2 pink may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 pink. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement below 1.2794, as wave B green may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave A green. It's worth mentioning that once we have confirmation on the 6-hour chart that wave C green is unfolding upwards, the invalidation point would be moved to the end of wave B green. Now we will view the first alternate count, explaining what the roadmap for cable is once the low of wave B green is reached. The difference between both main and first alternate counts is that the first alternate count expects that only wave A green is complete and that wave B green has more to offer downwards before reversing directions and moving upwards to complete wave 2 pink. This count expects that within wave B green, waves A and B orange are complete and that wave C orange is underway. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.3071, and we have two targets for the completion of wave B green. The first target is at 1.3022, as at that level wave C orange would reach 0.786, the length of wave A orange. And the second target is a target zone that starts at 1.2950, as at that level wave B green would reach 0.786, the length of wave A green. And that target zone ends 4 pips away at 1.2946, as at that level wave C orange would reach equality with wave A orange. This count's invalidation point are tight, and the upper invalidation point is at 1.3481, as wave B orange may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave A orange. And it should be noted that the upper invalidation point will be moved to the end of wave B orange once we have confirmation that wave C orange is unfolding downwards. As well, this count will be invalidated by movement below 1.2794, as wave B green may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave A green. Now we will move to the second alternate count, and the second alternate count explores the roadmap that we would follow if cables unfold below 1.2794. The second alternate count expects that wave 2 pink is complete as a double zigzag labeled waves W, X, and Y green, and that wave 3 pink has started unfolding downwards with waves 1 and 2 green complete, and that wave 3 green is underway. This count would be confirmed by movement below 1.2794, and we have two targets for the completion of wave 3 green and wave 3 pink. The first target is at 1.2748 as at that level wave 3 green would reach 1.618 the length of wave 1 green. And the second target is at 1.2640, which is a very initial target, as at that level wave 3 pink would reach 0.236 of wave 1 pink. This invalidation point is at 1.3481, and it should be noted that the invalidation point will be moved to the end of wave 2 green once we have confirmation on the 6-hourly chart that wave 3 green is unfolding towards the downside. So, to wrap this up, the main count explores the possibilities of cables upwards movement, while the two alternate counts explores the possibilities of cables downwards movement. The first alternate count expects that cable's downwards movement would prove corrective and that cable would reverse directions and unfold towards the upside. The second alternate count expects that downwards movement should prove to be impulsive in nature within a third wave of a third wave. And we have set specific confirmation points to guide us. That's all from me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.